welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing something awesome today. So let's get started. Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to join my notification squad. And let's get started. Let's get started. Here are my ingredients. You'll be needing some cereal with dry snacks or either food. Next, we have almonds, and third, we have my favorite fruit, strawberry. They're juicy and yummy. Next, we have this crunch granola cereal, and we have peanuts, yummy. And here's the box of the crunch granola cereal that has this. And here are the other fruits. We got some fresh apple, and we also have an apple. We got some of this fresh mango, 2 fresh oranges. You guys already know what I have, so let's not talk about that. Now I'm gonna cut my apple into dividing pieces and start. Now I cut my apples in 4 pieces. It should be looking like this. So now we're gonna cut this in the smallest pieces in this cutting board. So let's go. Finally done. Guys, this took me 1 hour to do this because my hand was hurting so bad. But now I'm finally done. Oh, that looks good. Now we're going to put it in this bowl, a nice and clean bowl. Just look at that. Ew, this is my face. Okay. Okay, now it's time to add yogurt. You can put any kind of yogurt, but I like vanilla because vanilla is the most favorite flavor. Never mind. You can add how much drop, but this smells really, really delicious. Ooh, look at that. That looks so gooey. Okay, now it's time to stir it. Okay guys, now I'm done mixing really well, so now we're gonna add honey. This is not kind of any honey, this is bee honey, and there's a cool design in the top. So let's add, and I never tried this before. It's super sticky. This is really slow motion. I don't want to add that much because it'll get honeyed, and I don't like honey that much. Okay guys, I chopped them to piece. I chopped these cool mango slices, some strawberry slices, some orange to slice. I sliced these stuff, the almonds and the peanuts, and these like original, these 2 original. And we got the yogurt, and we're gonna mix it with the stuff. So we're gonna get ready. Now we're gonna fill this cute cup or glass with fruits and all this stuff. So first we're going to add this crunch cereal. Now let's do this. Oh, I forgot. We're gonna add a little bit. That. I think we are gonna I think that's good. Now we're gonna add yogurt. Guys, you're not done. I'm sorry. That's my little sister, guys. I think that sounds good. Now we're gonna add some strawberry. We have a smoothie. I know, I'm making smoothies, right, Crystal? Isn't it delicious? Now we're gonna add some this. I don't know what it really calls. I really forgot. Now we're gonna add some mangoes. Crystal, don't talk a lot, please.
Can I eat some?
Now I'm gonna put some of the cereal.
I'm gonna eat some.
Yeah, you're gonna eat it in the end, okay? Now we're gonna add some oranges.
I want to do this cup, okay?
Now we're gonna add some little bit of that. Next thing we're gonna add again is this cool stuffed raisins. Now we're gonna add.
What is that?
I know, right? What? I think that's good. I don't. Okay. Now we're gonna add some strawberries.
Strawberry.
Yummy, right?
My favorite.
These are really, really good, guys.
I'm a big brother.
Silly Crystal. Now we're gonna add some of these. I don't really gotta tell you. Now we're gonna add some oranges again. This is gonna be so good.
This could be a
delicious.
Redwood movie.
Yeah.
I could be.
Now we're gonna add everything we got.
Very tight.
And boom, boom. This is how it looks. Awesome smoothie. Let's fill this one more time. I'm gonna add this granola cereal up to how I measure it. I'm gonna add yogurt. Not that much yogurt. And Crystal, please don't talk. Now we're gonna add the fruit. I think I'm gonna add all of this.
This strawberry?
Yeah, it's strawberries.
No.
I'm not gonna add a lot.
Aw.
Next, I'm going to add some of this stuff.
Can I help you?
Peanuts.
Can I help you?
Yeah, you can help me later. Sorry.
No, I want to help you. I want to help you now.
You're gonna keep him
Why
down.
help me?
That's my.
Why are you
Now I'm
helping
gonna
me?
add this
I don't
one.
need help with that.
Guys, my sister's so jealous.
I'm so cute.
Next, I'm going to add oranges. Crystal, why are you doing this? Okay, sorry for the back noises. That's my sister. Now I'm gonna add some yogurt again. I think we're gonna add all of this yogurt because we don't need any yogurts. Next, we're gonna add the fruits. Dump that in. Oh, it's not dumping. Oh no! Let me pick that up. Okay, now I think we can add this to make it toasty crumbles. And this. And this. I'm adding whatever. And this. And now I'll be needing some this mango. This is so good. Some of this, some of that, and some of that. Next, dump the orange. And we'll use everything for it. This looks delicious. Oops. And finally, last for the sprinkle. Guys, to let you know always, this looks so awesome. You can add any fruits. Are super healthy. There's fruits in it. There's not vegetables, some yogurt. So you can eat this in the morning, afternoon. You can eat this anywhere, and you can make this yourself. And hope you learned something about this. And yeah, before I end this video, smash that like button, subscribe, ring the bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.